Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the surprising connection between what you eat and your blood pressure. Ever experienced that feeling of heart palpitations, a pounding headache or tension after enjoying a salty treat? Well, it might not just be the salt. Your body needs a good amount of potassium to keep everything running smoothly. But many people don't get enough. And when your potassium levels are too low and sodium is too high, your blood vessels stiffen and narrow. This means your heart has to work harder to pump blood around your body, which raises your blood pressure. Good news is you can help bring those numbers down naturally. Stay tuned because we are about to reveal the top 12 potassium-packed foods that can lower your blood pressure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into why potassium matters. Potassium is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. This key electrolyte is involved in regulating heartbeat, triggering nerve impulses, supporting muscle contractions, and balancing fluid levels in the body. The recommended intake for adults is 4,700 milligrams per day. However, it's important to note that individual requirements may vary based on factors such as age, sex, and overall health. One of the significant benefits of potassium is its ability to counterbalance sodium levels, which helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure. By consuming potassium-rich foods, you can help lower the risk of various health conditions, including stroke, kidney disease, heart failure, and clogged arteries. Additionally, potassium plays a crucial role in preventing kidney stones and protecting against muscle loss and bone loss. It also aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy skin. Overall, incorporating a variety of potassium-rich foods into your diet can contribute to better health outcomes and disease prevention. Now let's dive into the top 12 foods that can help lower blood pressure naturally. No. 12. Celery. Celery contains phthalates, compounds that relax blood vessels and support healthy circulation. A 100-gram serving of cooked celery provides approximately 284 milligrams of potassium. Research shows that regular celery consumption can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels. A cup of cooked beetroot provides 518 milligrams of potassium. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming beetroot juice for 4 weeks significantly reduced blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Number 10. Spinach. Spinach is not only a potassium powerhouse, but also packed with other essential nutrients. A 100-gram serving of raw spinach provides 558 milligrams of potassium. Additionally, spinach is rich in vitamin K1, folate, and magnesium. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that consuming spinach for 7 days can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Number 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are excellent sources of potassium. It's 1 cup containing 728 milligrams. They're also rich in lycopene, a compound known for its potential blood pressure lowering and prostate cancer reducing effects. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that tomato juice and tomato extract effectively reduced hypertension and improved vascular function. Number 8. Salmon. Salmon is not only a great source of potassium, providing approximately 684 milligrams per half fillet, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel flexibility, and lower both systolic and diastolic pressure. A study in the American Journal of Hypertension showed that omega-3 fatty acid supplementation can significantly lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados are true nutritional powerhouses, providing approximately 1,120 milligrams of potassium per cup of mashed avocado. They're packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals like magnesium, as well as vitamins B6, C, and folate. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming avocados can lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. No. 6. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with potassium, magnesium, and arginine, which helps produce nitric oxide, aiding in blood vessel relaxation. A 100-gram serving of pumpkin seeds provides 919 milligrams of potassium. Research suggests that regular pumpkin seed consumption can help manage blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 5. Zucchini. Zucchini is another excellent source of potassium. providing 261 milligrams per 100 grams. It's also rich in magnesium and vitamin C. Studies show that zucchini can help dilate blood vessels, lower LDL cholesterol, and reduce stroke risk. Regular zucchini consumption can contribute to better blood pressure control and overall health. No for sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic choice for managing blood pressure naturally. One large sweet potato provides approximately 1,110 milligrams of potassium. Keep the skin on for extra potassium and fiber. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular sweet potato consumption can significantly reduce blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. No. 3. Citrus fruits. While bananas typically take the spotlight, other potassium-rich fruits like oranges and grapefruits are equally beneficial. A cup of orange juice contains 496 milligrams of potassium. Research shows that citrus fruits can lower blood pressure and boost immunity. However, choose whole fruits over juice to avoid sugar spikes. No. 2. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that is not only high in potassium with 549 milligrams per cup of cooked greens, but also rich in antioxidants and magnesium. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that Swiss chard can help improve vascular health and reduce inflammation, contributing to better blood pressure management. No. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are known for their vibrant color and powerful health benefits. With approximately 666 milligrams of potassium per whole pomegranate, they can help lower blood pressure and boost immunity. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that long-term pomegranate juice intake can reduce blood pressure, improve vascular function, and lower hospitalization rates due to infections. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and keep that blood pressure in check.